This series on the Garden Gurus, we're opening up the gardener's toolbox filled with solutions and ideas to solve your garden problems. How's your lawn looking after this long, cold winter? If it's not lush and deep green right now, well, it's missing something. You see, lawns should be starting to motor along and get growing. And there's a job you've got to do this weekend. It's very, very important. It's give your lawn a feed, but you don't use any old lawn fertiliser. Take a look at this. This is Munns professional grade lawn fertiliser. And when you're using a professional blend like this, you know you're going to get results. A couple of tips when applying. Don't allow it to be spread onto wet pathways or stonework. The iron in this mix can cause staining. Another one is always measure out the area you're applying to, just approximately. This one is 3 metres across by 4 metres long. That's 12 square metres. Now, you don't need an awful lot to get some pretty remarkable results. In fact, it is just 1/3 of an adult handful per square metre that does the job for this. And if you're wondering what type of grasses you can apply it to, well, don't worry. It's good for all grasses, kikuyu, buffalo, couch, or all three. It will do the job really well. There is one thing that I must tell you you should do immediately after applying though, and that is give it a very good wash in. So there you go, that's how you get the greenest lawn on the street. And to keep it that way, repeat every 8 to 12 weeks during the warm season. It's that easy.